Have your fan Berserk please purchase the manga, the 1997 anime, the movies, and other merchandises. The links are down below. You can also pre-order Slain and Ubik statues done by Premium 1. The links are down below. Now this is a prediction video for 357 for Berserk. And this is 100% speculation on my part. Let's go ahead and do this. Now this may be another fast chapter again. Now a lot of people didn't like this chapter, but I end up liking this chapter too because this gives you a lot of import about the world of Berserk. In this chapter, we could probably find out exactly why Griffith and the others of Falconia are going against the mystical creatures, or why the mystical creatures are trying to invade Falconia. I don't think that Griffith is trying to go to Elfhelm because I feel like if he really wants to go there, he'll probably use the branches like the boy in the moonlight could, if he could. And I think some of you guys are wondering why he didn't turn to Famto, because the way how he just crushed Ganiska, that big giant of a creature, compared to the small creatures that we're facing right now, and a lot of people was kind of upset about that. But he's probably trying to keep this facade going on, that way people won't think that he's evil, because the moment they actually see his true form, they may question exactly whether they want to stay with Falconia or not. But I think in 357, we may get a little bit more information. I'm just glad it's not on hiatus. I don't know when it's going to be on hiatus, but at the same time, though, I am happy that Kentaro Moore is actually working more forward to Berserk, man. This will be the 6th straight chapter he's done in a very long time, and I'm just happy about that. We may get more information. We may even get a chance to hear their creatures talk and see exactly why they want to do what they want to do in the first place. And this, again, this is a prediction video, and we may just see exactly what's going on. Maybe there's an item that they're trying to find. Maybe there's like a continent they're just trying to get to as well, and just or they're trying to protect Falconia. Who knows? All I can just tell you is that I could be wrong about predictions, and I just can't wait to read 357 of Berserk. That's coming out. I gotta look again what day it comes out. It's probably gonna come out around May 25th, earlier for the Korean editions as well. But this is JMC. Let me know what you guys think. Later.